Got off in the old town at Herrickheine Alle U station, checked the carnival parade and roamed around, had dinner in Steakhouse Maremma, and ended up partying in Engel Rock Bar. He's not littering, he's giving out candies.
Das wird zu schön, wahr zu sein.
And look at all those candy showers. There's this very, very motivated grandpa. Now take a look at this little kid. Ain't she cute?
Darum lieben wir das Jahr, unseren reines.
The Thursday before Ash Wednesday is known as Weiberfastnacht. On this day, tradition dictates that women are allowed to cut off the tie of any man within reach, and also they're allowed to kiss them.
Wir haben den spätestens Mitternacht ist die Sehnsucht.
This festival is kind of a good opportunity to get a lot of tooth decays. The sweets, too many. Biggest carnivals happen in Mainz, Cologne, and Dusseldorf. It's a holiday, so no work and no school. Tradition says to fill up on sweets, so the 40 days of fasting till Easter are easier to accomplish. Now the nice thing is that everybody was dressing up. You didn't just have kids, you had adults, families, grandparents. Now look at this guy, Goku from Dragon Ball. We got Mr. Heisenberg here. Wait for it, wait for it. This very, very scary guy.
It's a me, Mario.
Such funny costumes. And people were asking me to film them. They were dancing like crazy in front of the camera. Everybody smiling. That was really, really awesome. You might think Dusseldorf is crazy. You might think that the near city of Cologne is even crazier. But the reality is that the craziest parties happen in the smallest towns. As an example, I will show you a small little town 54 minutes away from Dusseldorf. It's called Twisteden. My friend came to pick me up and she drove me all the way. So now you're going to see all the kids having party. So Carolyn, you used to do this stuff, huh? You used to party and get drunk?
When I was younger, I was one of the first here.
You were one of the first. Whoa! These cowboy girls, Top Gun, Police, Sailor Moon. So this right here is like a speaker inside, and there's like a draft beer right here. So people just drink and dance, as you can see. So they prepare these cocktail bars. It's homemade. Okay, so this town has a population of 300, and right now it has a population of maybe 2,300. Can you imagine? This is another car. Age average is between 16 and 17, so it's mainly young people. I feel kind of old here, like grandpa.
I'm having a bratwurst and I paid €3.50. That's all the restaurants are closed. That's what I'm eating today. This and beer.
The message I want to get across is that everybody is open-minded. You'll find parents and grandparents partying, and you'll make friendships on the spot. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I shall see you on our next video.